What in the heck is Microsoft Fabric? Now, that's a question that might have you scratching your head. Not to worry, we're going to unpack this today. Picture a colossal Lego set. You've got all sorts of pieces, a door, a window, even a tiny wall. Now translate that into the digital world, and you've got Microsoft Fabric. Like our Lego set, Microsoft Fabric is a collection of pieces, or in technical terms, components. These aren't physical blocks, but parts of a computer program or website. It could be a button you click on, a box you type into, or a menu where you make your selections. Microsoft Fabric hands developers a box full of these pre-made pieces. They all have a consistent look and function seamlessly together. It's a huge time saver for developers who no longer need to build each piece from scratch. They can focus on assembling their programs or websites, just like building a structure from Lego blocks. In this digital Lego set, every piece is designed to mimic Microsoft's distinct design language. It's the equivalent of having all the Lego bricks you need to build a house pre-designed and ready to go. You don't need to fret about crafting each tiny component. Instead, you can focus on constructing a beautiful house, or in this case, a sleek, user-friendly program or website. So if you're a developer who's looking to build a web application with that classic Microsoft look, then it's time to dive into Microsoft Fabric. It's your ready-to-go toolkit for creating a polished, Microsoft-inspired interface for your organization. And there you have it, Microsoft Fabric, your Lego set for the digital world. It's a collection of pre-made components that streamline the development process, ensure a consistent user interface, and capture the distinct Microsoft aesthetic. So next time someone asks, what in the heck is Microsoft Fabric? You can confidently say it's like a Lego set for building programs and websites. Feel free to drop your thoughts or questions about Microsoft Fabric in the comments below. We're always here to help you navigate the digital landscape.